When the microbiota is too wet or there are small water drops, press the dehumidify button. It will enter the normal use state after 24 hours. The dehumidification display light turns off automatically. When it is too smelly, press the deodorize button. It will enter the normal use state after 24 hours. The deodorizing display light turns off automatically. Press the power button to turn off the machine. Press the power button again to turn on the machine. When a fault occurs during the operation of GEME, the display shows the error code. GEME will continue to beep beep alarm. Long press the deodorize button key for more than 5 seconds to leave the alarm sound, but the display will still show the error code. When the stirring indicator light is on, please check if there is anything hard in the inner tub and remove it.